Hi ladies, I wanted to talk about how to use the famous face rollers. I know these are trending right now and not everybody is sure how to use them. There's all different kinds. We have a jade roller, we have a rose quartz roller, we have an ice roller, which is my favorite because you can keep this in the freezer and then take it out and let it sit for a few minutes before you work on your lymphatic drainage system. You can also do it for swelling, you can do it for eye puffiness. So keep in mind this is gonna be cool to the touch if you've kept it in the freezer. You can also just use it as room temp and it's still gonna be nice and cool. There's a couple different ways you can use this. First and foremost, if you struggle with puffiness underneath that eye area, you can hold it here for just a couple minutes and it's almost just like giving your eye a little massage. I like to rock it back and forth and it really helps with morning puffiness and stuff like that. For lymphatic drainage, you're gonna wanna remember to always go in outward motions. You never wanna push it in, you always wanna push it out. You can start from your cheekbone and go out to your hairline. You can start on your chin line and go upwards like this through your jaw, and you just simply roll, and that's gonna help open up that lymphatic drainage system. And it's really gonna help with redness and puffiness. It's great for you. And like I said, we have a couple different rollers to choose from. If you have any other questions, let us know. These are a great investment. They're very affordable and they feel so great.